Hello, myself Venkatesh. I'm currently pursuing my master's in cybersecurity, and this is my this is my review about the internship that I attended in Fireshark Technology. So the interview is quite good. Like the faculties who took the classes are very well experienced, and also the the most part I like is about ethical hack. The class about ethical hacking. I got a clear cut image of clear cut idea of what is ethical hacking is, how it is should be done, what are the steps that should be taken, and also one of my favorite part was about Google talking, and also it was very fun working in your fun working in the company Fireshark Technology, and also uh, yeah and also I like most of the class, especially the class in ethical hacking, and also I have more and the practical sessions were very good. After the classes, I used to play with the tools that you guys introduced, and also it was very fun playing with that. Thank you.